Good afternoon and welcome to your Thursday, December 10th Day Weather Video Outlook. Going to be looking at some satellite imagery here to start off today's forecast, and we have a strong low pressure system spinning over the Pacific Northwest. Jet stream winds are coming down back behind it and then into California. And over the course of tonight and into early Friday, jet stream going to be back over Wyoming. This will pick up some winds across much of south central and central Wyoming tonight. More importantly, what it's going to do is it's going to move this low pressure as well off to the southeast, and come late Friday on into Saturday, the low pressure system spinning over the Pacific Northwest will be in eastern Colorado. And this is going to make for some upslope conditions in the southeastern Wyoming. And in turn, what that'll be doing is producing some light to moderate snow across southern and southeastern Wyoming on into Colorado. And it will be much colder. And from late Friday night on through Saturday, do look for some impacted travel and road conditions. I'll be back with more right after this. Welcome back. On our satellite map, we were talking about low pressure forming late Friday into Saturday across eastern Colorado and bringing upslope into southeastern Wyoming. This is a forecasted precipitation output map, and this is showing how much moisture one of our forecast models is expecting across the region. And these maps are almost always heavy with the precip for ourselves. The green and light green and dark green is anywhere from a tenth to a half an inch. The blues, you're getting into a half to over an inch of actual moisture. And we're not going to see near that much across southern and southeastern Wyoming, but the areas shaded in blue will be seen anywhere from a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch. And as far as snowfall goes, from late Friday through Saturday for the southeastern plains of Wyoming, that'll equal anywhere from 1 to 3 inches, with 3 to 6 inches up in the Laramie Range. The Snowies and Sierra Madres doing better, 4 to 8 inches. And it will not be just eastern and southeastern Wyoming that'll see some snow, but the far west will as well. The Wyoming Range, Wind Rivers, and also Absarokas tonight on through Friday, seeing anywhere from 4 to 8 to maybe 6 to 10 inches up in the high country, with 1 to 3 inches in the lower valleys. And another thing we can see from this forecasted precipitation chart is areas of dry weather, and that's the white. Much of southwestern Wyoming not really going to pick up anything more than maybe a trace, and central and northeastern Wyoming, also the Bighorn Basin, going to be mostly dry from this weather system, so it will be one that's impacting the far west and southeast. Now, how about temperatures? Well, they're going to be turning colder come mid to late day tomorrow statewide, and here's your forecasted temperature map for Friday and Saturday. Your first set of numbers is high and low temperatures for Friday, then Saturday follows that. You'll notice in the southeast, still nice tomorrow, temperatures above average, but look at the drop on Saturday. Cheyenne down to 28 for a high, a low of 15. Out in the west, highs 20s, low single digits to below zero, and overall we'll be going from the very mild temperatures of the past several days back towards some seasonal readings as we head into late Friday and Saturday, and that trend continues into Sunday. Major weather impacts: snow western Wyoming tonight on into Friday, turning much colder Friday, developing snow in the south, mainly I-80 Laramie West during the day. Snow in southeastern Wyoming by early Saturday. Travel impacts on I-80 and I-25 late Friday and especially Saturday in southern and southeastern Wyoming. Thanks for tuning in today. This concludes your forecast for this Thursday. Tune in tomorrow and we'll have some forecasted snowfall amounts.